Hello friends, good morning. I am looking for shorting opportunity in Bank Nifty. I will show you why. Because you can see in 1 hour here there is a supply zone, and you can also see that there is an important level of 48,378. This yellow line is important level, and one more confirmation we have is you can see this was the high of uh, Thursday, so it has broken that also. That means it has taken the liquidity of retailers also. When this high gets broken, people will try to enter on long side, so many people have entered on buy side also. So we have got the liquidity grab also. So this setup is looking nice. uh, Once I get the confirmation, I will enter the trade, guys. It's looking nice. I will see how much is SL. Based on that, I will decide when to enter the trade. We'll wait for this candle closing, 5 minutes candle closing. Oh nice, this is such a nice candle. We can target at least till here, day low. SL is on a higher side, guys. We have around 50 points SL in options. So let's wait for some time and we'll enter after some time. If we get it for small SL, then we will enter the trade, guys. Hello guys, we are getting some retracement as expected. I want a 1 minute candle which is getting rejection from this level, 48,378 level. Then I will enter the trade. Let's see. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait for it to test that level and create a good healthy red candle. Then we will enter the trade, guys. Yes, now it has tested that level. Need a good red candle from this level in at least 1 minute. Nice, it's getting rejected. You can see it has got rejected. I will enter now with 1 minute candle closing above that as a sell. It moved so much, guys. Actually, when I first saw, it was around 486 like that. But we got sudden momentum. We didn't get good price, good entry price. Let's see. Now my sell will be 1 minute candle closing above this 48,378 level, guys. I will put risk reward ratio. Our order got executed around here. This will be SL. We will target at least day low. Not that favorable risk reward ratio. It would have been good if we had entered around here, but our execution was not that good. Currently I think we are in some 4k loss, 5k loss. I will try to exit this, guys, because we lost this candle closing and then we will decide. Nice, it's getting rejected. Let's see. Nice, it formed nice candle in option. I'll show you. You can see here, this is such a good candle. So I will place my SL here now at 465. 465 will be my SL. I will place the SL in the system, guys. Again it's taking some support. I will try to exit this trade and will take entry again, guys. Two more minutes left for candle closing, so we'll see that 5-minute candle and we'll decide. I am not satisfied with my execution price. That's why I'm not getting that much confidence in this trade. If we had got it around 285 like that, it would have been a better entry. Last 1 minute left. Let's see. No, guys, I am exiting the trade. Exited because I will show you 1 minute candle almost closed above that level. I can see here. So I exited the trade. Let's wait for some time and I will let. Hello friends, I have entered the trade again. You can see I have entered at 480. I will show you why. Hello friends, sorry, I got a call, that's why video recording got stopped. I entered again with this as SL. I have entered here. Let's see how this goes. We may take SL in this also. Let's see. But we have got at a very good price. Sorry for the disturbance, guys. Yes, we are in some 500 rupees loss. Let's see. But one thing that's not looking good is, you can see, I'll show you. Nice. Nifty has formed good bullish candle from moving averages. So it needs to break this low. Then I will get more confidence. It should close below these moving averages. Then it will be good for us. Nice. Currently we have come positive. Nice. Let's see how this trade goes. Nice. We are getting a very nice candle, but we need closing. Actually we got good entry price in this trade, guys. You can see here I entered around 480. Now again market is closing above, trying to close above the level. So I will exit this trade, guys. I will show you. Yes, we are in very small loss. That's fine. We will look for upward trades now. I will show you why. Because you can see here market is closing above this 48,378 level. So we'll wait for some time. Let's see the closing of this candle. Yes, it has closed above that. So we'll wait for some time and we'll. Hello friends, market went completely sideways after that. So I didn't take any trades. That's the problem with uptrend, guys. There will not be very much big movements during market hours, and many of big moves will come in gaps like this. Big gap up will be there, so that will be very hard for us if it continues. Let's see what will happen tomorrow. I didn't take any trades after that. If you are liking the videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you. With 2.5k